Hi, welcome to What's Happening. Here are the top 10 stories. At number 1, the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency (NPHCDA) has announced plans to introduce human papillomavirus (HPV) vaccines in Nigeria as a preventive measure against cervical cancer among teenage girls. Dr. Faisal Shaib, the Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer of NPHCDA, revealed this during the biannual review meeting of religious leaders on primary healthcare delivery. The HPV vaccine, set to be launched on September 25, 2023, aims to protect girls aged 9 to 15 from contracting cervical cancer, a disease that poses a significant health risk to women. This initiative marks a crucial step in prioritizing the health and well-being of young girls in Nigeria. At number 2, the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi, has announced that the long-awaited completion of the LagosIbadan Expressway is scheduled for mid-September. This comes after years of reconstruction work on the heavily trafficked route. Minister Umahi made the statement during a visit to various completed and ongoing federal government projects in Lagos State on Tuesday. The final stretch of construction is currently underway on both sides of the expressway following several missed deadlines. The inspection tour commenced at Outer Marina Road in Victoria Island, which was constructed under the Sukuk financing option by the federal government. At number 3, President Bola Tinubu has unveiled his administration's comprehensive 8-point agenda aimed at propelling the Nigerian economy forward. The agenda, which was revealed during the inaugural Federal Executive Council meeting, includes key priorities such as combating corruption, upholding the rule of law, and ensuring the safety and security of Nigerians and businesses. Wale Edun, the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, shared the details of the agenda during an interaction with journalists at the State House in Abuja. The President and his newly inaugurated ministers thoroughly examined the 8 priority areas, emphasizing their commitment to delivering tangible results for the Nigerian people. At number 4, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, has pledged to deliver the Millennium Tower project within the next 2 years. Wike made this commitment in Abuja after a closed-door meeting with contractors responsible for various projects in the FCT. He emphasized the significance of the tower, stating that it would transform the landscape of Abuja City. The Millennium Tower, located in the central area of Abuja, is a multifunctional structure designed to accommodate cultural exhibitions, tourism, social activities, recreation, hospitality, and commercial ventures. The project, which is being executed by Salini Construction Nigeria Limited, had been stalled due to insufficient funds. At number 5, the National Board for Technical Education says the new online TopUp program for higher national diploma holders to acquire a bachelor's degree for 1 year with foreign accredited university is meant for HND holders who want to pursue an academic career. The MBTE head of media unit, Hajia Fatima Abubakar, clarified Tuesday in Abuja. Abubakar quoted the board's chief executive, Professor Idris Bogaje, saying the program is not for all the HND holders, but rather for those who have the ambition to further their career in an academic environment such as teaching and research in the polytechnics or universities. At number 6, women leaders representing various ethnic nationalities in the Niger Delta have called on President Bola Tinubu to release the report of the forensic audit conducted on the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC). The call was made during an interactive meeting between the women leaders and the managing director of NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogboku, in Port Harcourt on Monday. The delegation consisted of women leaders from ethnic organizations, civil society groups, community and faith-based organizations, market women, and non-governmental organizations. The forensic audit initiated by President Muhammadu Buhari in 2021 aimed to investigate the activities of the NDDC from its inception until August 2019. The women leaders emphasized the importance of transparency and accountability in the management of the interventionist agency and urged President Tinubu to make the audit report public. At number 7, Lagos has been recognized as the 5th best African city in terms of desirability for living, working and investing according to the Brand Finance City Index 2023 report. The survey ranks Lagos at 56.7%, placing it behind Cape Town, Cairo, Johannesburg and Casablanca, which secures 62.9%, 60.7%, 59.7%, and 59.3% respectively. Nairobi, the capital of Kenya, also made the list, ranking 6th among African cities with a desirability score of 55.1%. The ranking were based on a global survey conducted in April 2023, which gathered the perceptions of nearly 15,000 individuals from 20 countries across all continents. At number 8, Yemi Kale, former Statistician General and CEO of the National Bureau of Statistics, has stated that he believes declaring a state of emergency in the oil sector is unnecessary. Instead, he suggests that technology should be utilized to address the challenges faced by the industry. This advice comes in response to the federal government of Nigeria's recent declaration of a state of emergency to tackle the decline in income from oil activities. Kale, who recently serves as a partner and chief economist at KPMG Nigeria, emphasizes the importance of improving security in areas where crude oil is extracted. He highlights that the country is losing significant revenue due to oil theft and other criminal activities carried out by vendors and their collaborators. At number 9, in a thrilling display of skill and strategy, David Oji and Prestige Achikbong have emerged as champions in the under-19 and under-15 categories, respectively, at the Winifred Awosika African Youth Scrabble Championship. The championship, held at Chrisland Schools in Lekki, Lagos, brought together talented participants from Kenya, Liberia, Ghana, Uganda, and Nigeria. David's exceptional performance with 19 wins and 5 losses earned him the under-19 championship title after 4 days of intense mind games spanning 24 rounds. Joy Ola secured second place with an impressive 28 wins and a cumulative score of plus 1,097, while Lateef Musa, also representing Nigeria, claimed third place with 17 victories and a cumulative score of plus 1,012. At number 10, Sudan's top military general, General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan, has embarked on his first trip abroad since the country descended into a bitter conflict earlier this year. He arrived in Egypt, where he was warmly received by Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi at the El Alamein airport. The governing Sovereign Council confirmed the meeting, stating that the two leaders would engage in discussions regarding the current situations in Sudan and the bilateral relations between the two neighboring nations. This visit holds significance as it highlights the importance of regional cooperation and dialogue in addressing the challenges faced by Sudan and fostering stability in the region. That's all for now. See you next time on What's Happening.